Hello everyone, I would like to present my hack for vCon TADAC 2025. It's called Tales of the vCon. So recently I played a tabletop role-playing game and I could witness that not all the players would put as much emphasis in their role-play as I was. It's okay, but I was a bit frustrated. So I wanted to create a hack that would profit the people that put a bit more role play into their game. That's the idea of the hack, and I will explain on it how it works. So for all the hack, I'm using Python. First, what I'm doing is I'm retrieving the audio from the session. Based on audio, I will pass it through WhisperX. The idea of WhisperX is that they will provide a JSON format as an output that will separate the different pieces of the audio into segments. Once I get that into a JSON, I will parse that both into a vCon format, but also through ChatGPT. The idea to go through ChatGPT is to identify the sentiment, and based on a specific prompt that I have given him, how much the role play was respected. So that's kind of the idea. After that, I compute all of the inputs, all the JSONs that are extracted into a main vCon file. And in this vCon file, you can see here the structure, but the main nodes are the participants, the dialogue that happened during the session, the analysis. The analysis is only taken into account if there was specific emphasis or if there were benefits gained by the players, and then the attachment. So to give you a quick example of how it would work, I recorded a session earlier with my wife, but she doesn't want to be on screen. So in order for her to stay anonymized, I will do her voice, if that's okay for you. So it would go like this. I'm the dungeon master. So it's past midnight. You hear rustling near your camp. What do you do? I sit up slowly and look around. Just the wind, perhaps? Suddenly, a goblin stumbles into view, drooling and armed. Now she has to play. She has to give a real role play, right? And that's where she gives a real role play. Behold, foul gremlin, I am Malice of the echoing verse. Your doom will be sung with style. So if she puts a bit more emphasis, just like this, then the hack will decide through ChatGPT and through the whole process if she gains a bit more experience or if she has a bit more of an advantage over the enemy. That's kind of the idea. And in this case, she gained the badge Method Actor, which is quite nice, and 10 XP. Small addition is that at the end of the session, I've put the whole vCon into ChatGPT in order for it to provide a small screenshot of what actually happened during the session. And it's a nice way to end the session with the friends and the other players to have a visual overview of what happened. It can happen multiple times during the session and it's great. So before posting this project on GitHub, I would like to improve it a bit and be able to stream directly from the audio into the vCon live so that the badges can be awarded while we are playing. That will come in a few weeks. I would like to thank Alan Coyle for organizing the TADAC and Thomas for presenting the vCon and for the Q&A sessions that we had. I hope you enjoyed this small application. Good luck everyone, and see you in the next TADAC.